Hello students, I'm going to be helping you today with your Thursday night homework, which is not division word problems like the title says, but just dividing using the area model, which is what the title should say. First of all, you're going to look at your problem, which is 574 divided by 7, and label your place value ones, tens, and hundreds. Then you're going to draw your box, which is going to be your area model. And over here in your box, you're going to divide it into two places, a big box and a little box. And then you're going to write divided by 7 here, just like it is on the house. Outside of the box, you're going to also put divided by 7. Now you're going to ask yourself, how many groups of 7 go into 57? And I'm not starting with 5 because 7 is bigger than 5. So we need to go to the next two digits, which is going to be 57. So 57 divided by 7, you're kind of ignoring that 4. So how many groups of 7 are there in 57? And you would count by 7s until you get to a number close to 57 without going over. And that's going to be 8 groups. Okay, and 8 is in the tens place. So you're going to come over here and you're going to write AD because it's actually representing 80 since it's in the tens place. Then you're going to multiply 8 times 7, which is 56, with 1 0. So you put 1 0 here. And anything that's in this box has to be written over here and subtracted. So we're going to go ahead and subtract that. 4 minus 0 is 4. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now you have a new problem. And the new problem is going to be 14 divided by 7. And you're just going to think of how many groups of 7 are there in 14? There are 2. And because that 2 is in the ones place, you just leave it as 2 when you write it over here above the box. Then you're going to say 2 times 7 is 14. Remember again, anything in the box has to be written over here and subtracted. Now you have 14 minus 14, and that's going to be 0. That's your remainder, so you don't have to write anything extra up here. And your final answer is 82. Now you'll also remember from class that you have to check your work by adding up everything in the box. So we have 560 plus 14. 0 plus 4 is 4, 6 plus 1 is 7, and then bring down your 5. And you're going to see if that's the same answer as the dividend that you started with, and it is, so we've checked both of those to make sure they're the exact same. Okay, I'm going to pause it and I'm going to start a new video, but I want you to try number 2 by yourself.